Welcome to this lecture on Green Chemistry Principle 9. This principle emphasizes that catalytic reagents, as selective as possible, are superior to stoichiometric reagents. Catalysts are substances that enhance the rate of a chemical reaction by providing an alternative pathway with lower activation energy. They are not consumed in the reaction and can be reused multiple times, making chemical processes highly efficient, economical, and environmentally friendly. Using catalyst has several benefits. For example, catalysts can be designed to be highly selective, allowing for specific transformations while minimizing side reactions. This selectivity is essential for controlling the outcome of reactions. For example, alkynes can undergo reductive hydrogenation reactions similar to alkanes. Due to the presence of 2pi bonds within alkynes, reductive hydrogenation reactions can be partial to form an alkene or complete to form an alkane. Since partial reductive hydrogenation of an alkyne produces an alkene, the stereochemistry provided by the reaction's mechanism determines whether a cis or trans alkene is formed. The three most significant alkyne reduction reactions are summarized here. Much like alkenes, alkynes can be fully hydrogenated into alkanes with the help of a platinum, palladium, or nickel catalyst. Because the reaction is catalyzed on the surface of the metal, it is common for these catalysts to be dispersed on carbon. Written as palladium/carbon, or the catalyst can be finely dispersed, such as rainy nickel. The presence of 2pi bonds in the alkyne causes two equivalents of H2 to be added during the reaction. An alkene intermediate is formed during the reaction but is not isolated. A less efficient Lindlar's catalyst permits alkynes to be converted to alkenes without further reduction to an alkane. Lindlar's catalyst transforms an alkyne to a cis-alkene because both hydrogen atoms are added to the same side of the alkyne. The anti-addition of hydrogen to an alkyne pi bond occurs through reaction with sodium or lithium metal, dissolved in ammonia. This reaction, also called a dissolving metal reduction, involves a radical mechanism and produces a transalkene product. Catalysts contribute to energy efficiency by lowering the energy requirements for reactions. This leads to reduced energy consumption and lower operational costs in chemical manufacturing. For instance, reactions that typically require high temperatures can often proceed at milder conditions in the presence of a catalyst. The use of catalysts enhances the sustainability of chemical processes by improving yield and atom economy. Since catalysts can facilitate manifold reactions before being exhausted, thereby reducing the need for fresh reagents and minimize waste. Catalysts are widely used in large-scale industrial processes, making chemical manufacturing safer, cleaner, and more sustainable. Here is the flow diagram showing how catalysis works. The reaction begins with the starting materials. A catalyst is introduced instead of a stoichiometric reagent. The catalyst provides an alternative reaction pathway. This results in lower activation energy. The reaction proceeds faster under mild conditions. High selectivity ensures the desired product is formed. Fewer byproducts are generated, reducing waste. The catalyst remains chemically unchanged. It can be reused for multiple cycles, improving efficiency and sustainability. Here are few examples of catalytic processes. Many industrial processes, such as the Haber-Bosch process for ammonia synthesis and the production of fine chemicals, rely on transition metal catalysts for efficiency and selectivity. This process is crucial for fertilizer production and demonstrates industrial-scale catalysis. Biocatalysts, or enzymes, can perform specific transformations under mild conditions, often with high selectivity and minimal environmental impact. For example, lipases can catalyze the transesterification of fats to produce biodiesel. Thus, catalysts make reactions faster, cleaner, and more selective. They help save energy, reduce waste, and play a vital role in building a sustainable future.